In the intricate tapestry of Norse mythology, Odin stands as a central figure, revered as the All-Father and the chief of the Aesir gods. His multifaceted nature embodies wisdom, war, magic, and unwavering curiosity, marking him as a complex and compelling deity whose influence extends throughout the nine worlds. Odin's relentless pursuit of wisdom is perhaps one of his defining characteristics. He values knowledge above all else, symbolized by the profound sacrifice he made to attain it. In a quest for greater understanding, Odin willingly sacrificed one of his eyes at Mimir's well, a sacred source of knowledge. This act of selflessness conveys a deep truth. Profound wisdom often requires great personal sacrifice. With his single eye, Odin gained insight into the deeper workings of the cosmos, embodying the idea that true understanding comes at a cost. His loss serves as a reminder of the price of knowledge, a theme that resonates universally. To further enhance his understanding of the universe, Odin possesses two ravens, Hugin, thought, and Munin, memory. These faithful companions soar across the realms of existence, gathering information and reporting back to their master. Every morning, they take flight over the nine worlds, scouting the happenings and bringing back knowledge to Odin. Their names symbolize the very essence of thought and memory, reflecting Odin's own pursuit of wisdom. The ravens act as extensions of his consciousness, illustrating his omniscience and the interconnectedness of thought and experience within the Norse worldview. Through them, Odin remains ever informed, connecting him to the fates and lives of both gods and mortals. As the god of war, Odin embodies the complexities of conflict and honor. He carries the formidable spear Gungnir, crafted by dwarven smiths, which is said to never miss its target. This spear symbolizes both authority and lethal power, representing Odin's role as a leader in battle. His wisdom in warfare makes him both a strategist and a guide as he oversees the fate of warriors on the battlefield. Odin's Hall, Valhalla, is a majestic mead hall located in Asgard, where slain warriors, known as the Einherjar, are welcomed after death. These warriors, chosen by Odin, train daily for the coming conflicts of Ragnarok, the apocalypse in Norse mythology. In Valhalla, Odin honors brave deeds in life, further emphasizing the Norse ideals of valor, loyalty, and honor in battle. Here, the warriors fight and feast, embodying the glory of their eternal struggle, a testament to Odin's recognition of courage and the warrior's spirit. Beyond his martial prowess and wisdom, Odin is also the master of runes and sorcery. He gained this profound magical knowledge through immense personal trials, including hanging for 9 days and nights on the world tree, Yggdrasil, speared by his own spear. This act of self-sacrifice demonstrates his commitment to gaining the secrets of existence and harnessing the power of the runes, primitive symbols that hold deep meaning and magical capabilities in Norse culture. The mystical nature of runes allows Odin to manipulate the very fabric of reality, utilizing magic to shape events, influence fates, and connect with the spiritual realm. His command over magic illustrates the belief that wisdom and expertise in sorcery are intertwined, demonstrating that the pursuit of knowledge spans both the intellectual and the mystical. Odin, the All-Father, personifies a complex blend of wisdom, war, and magic in Norse mythology. His sacrifices for knowledge, omniscient observation through Hugin and Munin, authoritative role in battle, and mastery of runes reveal the depth of his character and the fundamental principles that the Norse people admire. Through his narrative, we witness the profound themes of sacrifice, the quest for understanding, the honor of warriors, and the mystical connections that bind the realms together. Odin serves as a reminder of the intricate relationship between knowledge and power, inviting us to contemplate the lengths to which one might go in the pursuit of truth and understanding in our own lives.